Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends the time and the place which you're watching this video from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just for one, and if there is the first time to see my video, please I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to my videos. Because you know guys, without you, I can't do anything like this. You can't, even a teacher, you can't do in school, you can't do exam without a teacher. Now here, I'm doing exam and you are like now you're making teachers. I can say like that because you may get that there's a certain point I have wrong and you will help me to you will help me to to do collection that points because you know human beings are not perfect. There is time you will get that I have wrong. Guys here I'm great. What I'm wearing actually wizard because wizard is just greater than I can see I'm tired there because you know I'm not feeling too bad. It's 10 goes I know. Now I can say that the not say that is the truth. I'm an upcoming, you know, upcoming me, you feel so many challenges. Like one challenge I don't understand. No, it makes me to pull your phone and use another to shoot a video guys. And today here, you know there is no the first time to see my videos from this house. Yeah, there is no the first time to see my videos from this house. Here I'm outside of the it's so much. Yeah, there is still where we put our things back. As you can see. Yeah, and there is a house in front of me. Okay? And today I want to show you everything. Yeah, there is a light. Yeah, very amazing, guys. So you can see, very amazing. It has three cameras. Let's count. There is one, there is two, there is three, and we come in the first one. Okay, guys. And I see, I think there is some less you here from outside. You know, here, there is teamwork doing well. Okay, guys, today, last time were dealing with the kitchen cabinets, and finally, we finished the one. As you can see, we finished the one, I think it was 2 weeks early. 2 weeks back guys. So we finished this one. We started on the hacker point, then we finished from there. We came to this one, and now see that even the game has cheated. I cheated the internet for free. Yeah, and you can see it's very amazing. It's very good, guys. And today we were dealing with the fridge, cupboard. Yeah, what is out looks like. And you know here, we are working with scaling. This is also very well interesting. That is it. So, going to photo. Now, there is a photo. Yeah, there is now where the switch is done. And there is now, as you can see, there is a space between this and this. Now here, there is the space for the refrigerator. The refrigerator will be imported here. And here is small cupboards. And the same goes, we will put two doors up there. Then we put two doors. But here, we will not put any door. Here, going down, we will not put any door because now, it depends the structure of that plan you have based. And here now you want to discuss. You know when we discuss, you have to make everything to be safe. Like here now, So you can see there is, yeah, I want to remove these wires. Yeah, I have to switch on, then we remove all that. And there is the driller, the electrical driller we use to drill holes like here in order to remove these handles. Okay guys, now here we have to do everything right. Then here we remove this. There is an OC driller, a hole driller. There is how it looks like. And there is a screwdriver. This one looks red. There is a screwdriver, guys. And no, there is the screws that we use to close these. So you can see. And there is a hammer. Hammer, you know the work of the hammer is to do like this. So guys, today I'm very very happy, and I don't know why I'm so happy like that. Yeah guys, there is the measuring tape. It's this work we do. We can't do work without this. There is like a rule. A rule in school. What means a rule another to know the measurements. There is not a light way I'm using. It is supposed to be you to be removed by the hand, but not the light. But forgive me. There is the measurement here. That's why I'm taking. You see? It is very cute. So maybe that is the numbers. Yeah, this. And there is the socket. Yeah, and there is the wire now. And we have to be here in order for tomorrow use. Okay guys, you can't imagine that now God had helped me. God had helped me from zero to hero. I can say like that because I started from zero subscribers. There's much like so when I started. No, I think they have like 2 months now. No, 2 months since I joined this platform, and I really appreciate for your support, guys, for your help, for your kindness, guys. Because I wasn't, I don't know, recognize it, but guys, I'm very very happy, very very happy. Because I was zero subscribers. As the time goes, I got to 10 subscribers. No, from zero, I started 1, 2, 3, until now here, I'm rolling to 600 subscribers, guys. I'm very, very happy. And I really appreciate you for your support, guys. I thank you so very much because so guys, what I can ask you is that I don't have, in fact, I don't have comments. Comments will help you somewhere. Please, when you are like the video and comment, because your comment is very, very important to me. Not only subscribing, but also commenting and liking. That is the two things I ask you guys. And here I'm with my friend. He's my friend and he's my boss. I can see that we have with him. And the name Kennedy is there at the door. Kennedy,
Yes,
can you say something?
something.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, and this way my place. So, guys, thank you for hosting me to this channel. I'm Kenvi. If it's your first time seeing me around, we have been with this Jasper for a couple of days. So, after watching this video, kindly go check me out and amazing content, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel also. So keep watching, watch to the end, guys. By watching to the end, you support us by watching ours. So keep on watching. Don't forget to come back also. Yes. Was there any question you made?
No, I don't have a question. But what I can say, you are the person who helped me.
Okay.
Until here, I don't have a question for yourself. Okay, guys, after watching this video, remember to subscribe to Ken
Okay.
V254.
Can be 2
Yeah, guys, when you start searching, the first video to come,
Yes. Then Ken is Ken space V space 25.
okay, guys, continue watching amazing videos from this point. I'm just for the church, guys. Yeah, and I have not told you since I started. Imagine Ken V is the first person who advised, not the first, but is the one who helped me to open the channel. Yeah, and others in area, there is others I asked him to help me. How can I do in order to open a channel? But human beings are not the same. Others they speak but they speak very many things that, oh Jasper, that is very hard, you can't manage it, Jasper. Stop studies, start practicing, start looking for the person who is shooting a video in order to give you a shout out, but don't open your channel. You don't know your content, you don't know the what is YouTube. But guys, as by the grace of God, I have never given up. My in fact, guys, there is where am I? Now. And do you remember every time I say that my content is all about charity? And what in fact, guys, when I see somebody struggling in her life, I don't feel right because I know you can't struggle so hard without mafanikio. We say without mafanikio, without perform. Let me without getting anything, guys. In fact, my first client, I can't know, is a YouTuber. In fact, guys, you can't imagine, he's a YouTuber. But when I asked him, at the time I start, I'm sorry, guys. At that time, in fact, I wasn't having a phone. You can't imagine. I wasn't having a phone, and now I went to my friend, my one friend, but I don't know. I can't mention his name because he will feel bad whenever he will watch this video. But what he told me, Jasper, don't see here we are. No, we have struggled very hard in order to make it. And I asked him, bro, I know now you are getting some little money. Will will you help me? I have a problem. And my problem was I wasn't having a phone, but I really thank God now I have my own phone. And guys, in this village, people are not good, but others are good. My every day, my question I ask is like that: will you help somebody, and after helping him, like now, this the Firage had Ayamaro. Ayamaro is the good person, but other people, they don't take it into consideration. No, they have forgotten the all good things he did to them, and now they have started reacting to him, guys. And that is how my friend discussed me, like how others are discussing Marwa. Now I don't know if they were thinking that they will help me then after succeeding in my life. I will come to abuse them. No, I know in this world you have to help someone in order to succeed, but not no others they die which man without helping anybody, and it's not good. Okay, guys, I have so many things to say, but time is not on our side. And here now, I want to leave from Fero the Boy to go to Nyabohanse town because that is the place where we are living. And guys, please, after watching these videos, remember to comment to my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, because I really say your comment will help me somewhere. Yeah, guys, because you can't do things without we don't know. Even a teacher, when a student has done a mistake, he calls, I don't know, he calls him to the office and tell me, like you can text him, you can message, you can comment to my video and say, just for one, there is certain place you are going wrong, and what is good like here, you have to improve in certain points. If it is the English, I know I'm not perfect in English, but I'm perfect in Swahili, but I try, they say practice make perfect, and that is why every time, every day, I know every day as the time goes, I am improving my English standard. Okay, guys, and what I will ask you um is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that I know one day, and guys, my content is all about charity, but not reaction. Sometimes you may get that I have started saying some words about what is going on. I'm not a reactor, but there is sometimes you may get that you have spoken because like you can't see well, you cannot feel well when a person who doesn't have any problem with the people being abused, being encouraged, you cannot feel well, guys. There is the pure truth. Like now, here we am doing work with Kenvi 254, and Kenvi is the one who helped me to open this channel, and he supported me. He told me, just for one, continue shooting the videos, upload the video to every day in order to make it in your life, and I really appreciate him. But now, how can I start now to abuse him? That Kenvi, you are a bad person. Since you got money, you don't want to help me again. Now, many things like in this fridge. I can't start calling Kenvi 254 some words. There is some funny words, and there is not the first time to hear those words. I know normally every day, every time you see, as you hear so many funny words, but that is how human beings are. And guys, remember that what you do to your friend or to your neighbor, one day it will be dead to. No, it's not good to abuse anybody or someone who has not done anything wrong to you. Even if you have did the wrong things to you, it's not advised that you have to abuse him. No, it's better you send a person to tell him that somebody like just one, there is some point you are not doing well. How can you start abusing someone without any lesson? I can say no. If I haven't done so, I can say no, I haven't done it. But if I know I usually do like that, I can say that please forgive me, I cannot do it again. But others, they no. I'm not accusing anyone, but others, those people who are not good to others, I can say they are behaving like lads. When a rat bites you, it pets you. Then I don't know to fleas. I know to fleas on your body. If like the rat, let me say that it's biting me. But I don't know how it is. here. I don't know the name of this fruit, but here in Swahili shafu. Yeah. No, when a rat bites you here, it will freeze in order you to the makani. Yeah, guys, the makani. Please comment there in order to help me, because English is is being tough to me. But that is how it is. When a rat is at biting you here, it is that freezing to you in order that makali to be to calm down. Makali kupungua. Guys, please help me that point. Because yeah, no, I'm not perfect in English, but you have to try. Yeah, there are other people like that. No, here I'm just for one, and I believe in God. There is no day I can react to someone. In fact, in my life, I am Marwa in the video, but not live. And as I see, when he came here at Nyabohanse, my brother Sholav, he told me that Ayamaru is a good person, he's the king of the village, he's the one who brought this platform here, and people know it. And as my brother, you see, my brother, he told me the goodness of Maro, and others they can start. If let me say, if he told me, he told guys, please help me. He told it ali in Swahili kama angeniambia hivi remember to comment guys. He told me if my brother was bad, he will have in the Ange told me that Maru is a bad person, but he told me that Maru is a good person. Okay, guys, continue watching my videos because today I'm very, very happy. As I told you, I'm very, very happy after watching this video. Comment and share to my video, and remember to subscribe, guys. Yeah, I'm just for one, the the boy who loves everyone.